So what is basically payback periods? Payback periods is a period in which the cash flows will reimburse the initial investment. Payback period has a rule. Projects are to be accepted if the payback period is lower than what we call the cutoff period. What is cutoff period? This is a capital budgeting term that represents the period below which a project's payback period must fall in order for a project to be accepted. So this is a kind of the minimum, or this is something as a target, something that we are looking for. If we do not realize that, then it's not good. The time it takes for the project to generate money to pay for itself, or number of the years required to recover cash outflow invested in the project. This is all cutoff period. In terms of ranking, it gives you the highest ranking to the project with the shortest payback periods. Okay, so in order to understand the payback period technique, the best way is to see it on a concrete example. I will explain now the two possibilities how to calculate it. So you have here case study 1, company ABC, which invests $40,000 in a project. In the next 5 years, the following cash flows are expected. $10,000 end of first year, $12,000 second year, $15,000 third year, $10,000, then $7,000 at the end of the year 5. The project is unrelated to other companies' projects. Maximum acceptable period for the project is 3.5 years. So the management is expecting from this investment to recover the investment in minimum 3.5 years. If not, this is not acceptable. Should the investment be accepted or rejected? So let's do a few calculations. So the first method is what we call cumulative inflows from the year 1. We start from the year 1. This is the first possibility to calculate the payback period. So you have here your cash flows, investment minus 40,000, then you have 10,000, 12, etc., etc. So the step 1, the formula payback period, it is A plus B minus C divided by D. What is A, B, and C? A is the minimum. You can see here the year 3. Okay. So when you accumulate your cash flows, you see first your 10,000 plus 12,000 is 22,000 plus 15,000, 37,000. So those are the cumulative sum of the cash flows from the year 1. So we see that we exceed 40,000 investment from the year 3 and the year 4, because you switch from 37 to 47,000. So it is the minimum of the year 3 plus something more. So it is 3 years plus we have here the amount of the investment, 40,000 less C, which is 37,000. So this is the difference, 3,000 divided by D, which is 10,000, the remaining cash flow in the year 4. So altogether, it will give you 3 plus 40 less 37,000 divided by 10,000. It will give you 3 plus 3 divided by 10. So this is 3.3 years. So in this investment, you will recover your investment. You will be at zero at 3.3 years.